What's going on YouTube? Working on the Monte Carlo. Try to put this newer GM radio. Alright, that has a Pioneer radio in it. And I got this off a 2006 Trailblazer. Got it off Facebook for 20 bucks. So I'm going to try to see if it fits. And then get the factory harness off eBay. I'll put the link in the description below. And see if I can't get the XM working also on it. So stay tuned. So it doesn't look like the radio is gonna fit. As you can see from this thing is blocking the bottom. See I was blocking those bottom buttons, and also so it doesn't fit. See, it's hitting the top. So we're gonna have to find another radio to put in here. I'd probably make it fit if I cut this off, but I don't want to cut this plate. And also I don't like the screen up here. I want a radio with the screen up here and maybe the buttons over here. So unfortunately it didn't fit. We'll go ahead and put the old one back in and hunt for another radio, factory radio that'll work, and the Monte Carlo fit in this position. But make sure you hit the like button if you think it's a cool idea, and subscribe button, so when I do find another radio, you'll be able to see the progress on the installation. Thanks for watching.